right?
I worked with AJ and Smart to get training on facilitation. And one of the big things about being a really good facilitator is that you don't try to be the hero, be the guide, right? And that's actually like what a good
Mm.
leader is you don't hire a leader because they're the best at engineering or business strategy. You hire a leader because they know where to go, and that's what makes them a leader. Everyone
Yeah.
else doesn't know where to go. And so you go into a meeting and you just say, okay, here's some signal I've heard. What do you guys think the opportunity is here? And then you kind of start from there. And that's harder. You have to abstracting the problem, but then you're involving a lot more brain power to help frame what the actual problem is and then moving into solutioning.
Yeah. And then the outcome becomes so much better. And I think it's spot on what you said. It's not leadership is not about being best.